Hey, this is Kalan. In this video, we will see how we can convert the MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR partition. Like I install an SSD and I was at the stage of window installation. Then I got some error like window can't be installed on this disk, selected disk, as this is having an MBR partition and the window can only be installed to the disk which is having the GPT partition. So for that reason we will have to convert the GPT to MBR, and if you are having MBR to GPT, vice versa, like if you are getting error of GPT then you have to convert to MBR, and if you are getting error of MBR then you will have to convert to GPT. So what these both of terms are like, so in simple word we can say that this both belongs to the partition of the disk drive. Like if you talk about MBR, which is master boot record, so in the MBR partition we can have the maximum of 4 partition of our disk drive, and in the GPT GUID partition table we can have maximum of 128 partition of our disk drive, like you can see on the screen right now. So this is called a partition. Okay, so this C drive you can see this is SSD, and these 3 drive are having, and this is my HDD of the computer which is well already installed in my computer system. So you can see HDD is having 3 partitions, so this is called partition. Okay, so in the MBR you can have maximum of 4, and in the GPT we can have maximum of 128 partitions. So GPT is now installed in the modern computers, that partition comes with. And like if you are having older system then you can see MBR partition mostly you can see. And now everything is having GPT. If you are have like MBR, then you will have to definitely convert to the GPT, as window will only be get installed on that. So let us see how we can convert that. So for that you will have to open the control panel, that is create and format disk partition, and in the disk management what you will have, like you can see this is my disk 0 disk 1. So if you want to check that what is the partition which is having of your disk drive, then here on the disk 0 or disk 1 anyone, like I have 2 disks right now, one is HDD upper one and below this is SSD. So right click on that and click on property, and you can see here click on the volume, and you can see this is having GUID partition table which is GPT. Similarly for the below, if I check the property, then this is also having GPT property. Earlier it was in the MBR format, but now that is GPT. I converted this. So how you can convert that? If you can see, if I right click, then you can see here is an option, but that is disabled. Convert to MBR disk. Below also if I do that, then you will also see this is disabled right now. What you will have to do? You will have to click on that disk and then click on delete volume. Okay, like this is having two like partition right now, but you should have only one, as you are at the beginner stage of that converting. So let me tell you what are the steps. What you have to do, you will have to first create a delete volume. Before that you will have to copy everything which is having in that volume to the safer place, like if you have any necessary data and all, and that will get permanently deleted. So right click on that, click on delete volume, then click yes. Now you will see that is unallocated right now. Okay, and then after doing that, what you can see, if when you will do the right click, then you can see convert to MBR disk will get enabled for you. As I have not like deleted the both the partitions, this would have, this is having two partitions right now, so I am not going to do that, and that is my primary window. So when you will delete that, then when you will click on this, you will get convert to MBR disk enabled. Click on that and click OK. It will get converted. Okay, and similarly if you have like MBR already, then you will get option of convert to GPT. And after that, when you will click on unlock, when you will do that, what you should do, you should click on new simple volume, then next, then next, then next, and then click on next and then finish, and it will get the volume, and which is having, in my case it is F. So this is how you can convert any disk to MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR. And when you will install the window again, then it will not give you any error and it will easily get installed in your system.